because I already let the battery go dead.
Don't float around is what I'm about.
Hey, welcome back to Stone Floor Garage. Today I'm just going to do a little box opening or whatever it's called. I purchased a trickle charger for the old Volvo. While I'm not driving it, I don't want what happened to the Honda to happen to this car. So right now I have the hood open. I had a smart charger on it because I already let the battery go dead, so it's 100% right now, and I'm going to put this trickle charger on it. Hopefully it will keep the battery charged all the time, and I don't have any issues with it later on, because like I said, I don't want what happened to the Honda to happen to this car. I've already started accumulating some parts for this car. I still haven't even jacked it up yet to measure. I'm pretty sure the frame is straight on it. This car is a tank. Nothing else seems to be bent. Every door opens, closes, the hood opens and closes. Everything seems to be in order, but we'll see in time. Let's see. Hooked up and working. Oh, nice little fuse on it. Okay, let's get this installed. It doesn't have to be pretty. Car's not going to be driving or moving around much right now, but in the future I may want to keep this thing in this car. Then I'll permanently mount it. That way if I ever go long periods of time and not driving the car for any reason, it'll always have a charge. That was another thing. When I did first purchase this Volvo, the battery was already dead in it. And when I put the new battery in, I got myself the biggest battery I could fit in here. Not for this actual car, but it's got almost 800 cold cranking amps. So in the wintertime, or when weather got cold, never a problem. This battery was awesome. So I'd like to keep it that way. The other end of this just gets plugged into an outlet, or an extension cord, in my case. And away we go. There we go. So, as you can see here, it's charging again, and hopefully that will keep everything going nicely. And then I don't have to worry about dead battery problems. If I ever want to just come out here and start the car, just fire it up. Anyways, if you have any questions or would like to know the product, I just got it off Amazon. But anyways, thanks for tuning in again at Stone Floor Garage. See you in the next one.
Built on honesty, driven by purpose. If you need a hand, you know where to surface. Shoot me an email, let's figure it out. Stone Floor Garage, that's when my blah, 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 blah.